If you're looking for something to organize your washroom and you have a front load dryer or washer, this will be perfect. So you got this big old countertop on top of my dryer. If you have a washer that has a front loader, like I said, you could put it over the washer. But in this case, I'm using the dryer. These little hampers fold out and it's 2 compartments. Separate your colors. You still have a big old space down here where you could store stuff, whatever you want. You have little hanging hooks here to hang anything you want. A shelf up here and also a shelf up top. And you have this little bar to hang stuff. You could hang little towels, hang clothes, whatever it might be. And just look at it, it looks really nice. You organize all your stuff a little bit better. Easy to access. You could even take your clothes out the dryer and fold them right here so you could put them away easily. So highly recommend this thing. It looks really beautiful. Took me about 30 to 40 minutes to assemble, but other than that, this thing is awesome. Another option is to separate it. If you want nothing over your washer or your dryer, you could just use this part and it works just as well. It has those 2 hampers and it has all this storage. So this is an option also.